Salt produced by lake water in Egypt. Qarun Lake is one of the most important lakes in Egypt. It is the second remnant of Moeris Lake. It is closed ecosystem represented as a tank for discharged agricultural wastewater of El-Fayoum province in Egypt. So this video we try to give few introductions about how to produce salt in the salt factory in Al-Fayoum, Egypt. So you can see there are a lot of machines and skilled laborers are gathered to produce high quality salt by the using lake water in Fayoum province in Egypt. So this is the filling and packaging machine. You can see there are few machines are working together to produce high amount of salt. So this machine also packing and filling machine. Those are automatically filling and labeling. So this skilled labor is examining the pack individually whether it is present the damage or not. If the visible some damage, he remove those pack by the elevators or processing line. Right. So this is also filling machine. The quality salt fill the consumable package. It is automatically filling and sealing and labeling. Then we can get high quality salt pack. Actually, most of process steps are automatically. Sometimes skilled laborers are gathered to monitor and evaluate the processing line. Right. This is also automatic filling and sealing and cutting and produce final salt pack for the market.